you girlfriend who can casually belt out Whitney Houston. Raver Cruz took to TikTok to flex his girlfriend, Julianne San Jose, who sang during their Christmas gathering with family. Julianne's song of choice was Whitney Houston classic, I Have Nothing, and she flawlessly hit the notes and impressed her audience. The video briefly showed Raver Cruz's brother, Rodjun Cruz, who looked like the proudest brother as he enjoyed the serenade. Rodjun's wife Diane Medina was also watching with a smile. Libreng Christmas concert. Shish, Raver captioned. Julianne is a judge in GMA reality television show, The Voice Generations. She previously starred as Maria Clara in Maria Clara at Ibarra. She recently performed at the Quindem live concert with Rita Daniela, Jessica Villarubin, Thea Astley, Marianne Osabel and Hannah Presilas.